Good afternoon, OPOS stars. We'll be doing the Vangi Bhat from scratch. So I'll start with layering. I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. And a 1/4 cup of water. One chopped tomato. As a buffer layer at the bottom. Now one tomato is not going to cover the bottom completely, so I'll add one more. You need to have enough buffer to ensure that the rice does not burn. I think that is good enough. We have one layer at the bottom. Now I'm going to add a layer of spiced brinjal. Since this is going to be an almost no water recipe, we need to have at least 4 cups of vegetables for every cup of rice. I can mix in any spice powder into this Vangi Bhat powder, garam masala, any spice powder or mix of spice powders that you like. I'm going to mix in just a bit of chili powder plus garam masala and a bit of salt. And a bit of oil. Mix it well. Layer it over the tomatoes like this. And now add 1 cup of rice. This is half a cup of basmati which has been soaked. It has become 1 cup. 1 cup of rice like so, and we are going to cover the rice with another layer of eggplant. So repeat the same thing. Ensure that the top layer of rice is completely covered by the eggplant. Now if you want to mix in caramelized onions, ginger garlic paste, more masalas, you can always add whatever you like. I'm going to mix in some caramelized onions. A couple of tablespoons of caramelized onions. Some ginger garlic paste. Maybe a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a bit of salt again, a bit of garam masala and chili powder mixed together. Mix it all up. And you need to have the top layer of rice completely covered. If it's not enough, you need to add a bit more of eggplant to cover this. Any exposed portion of rice will not cook. So that seems to cover it completely. Loading is done. Just close and go for a couple of whistles on high. Cook on high for 2 whistles. Let the pressure settle. Pressure has settled. Open. And invert it. Let's see how the bottom has cooked. Absolutely no burning. The tomatoes have charred well. Tomatoes are caramelized well. And the rice is perfectly cooked. There is your Vangi Bhat with very little water, very intensely flavored from the eggplant. There you go. Look at that. The rice will firm up even better on cooling. There is absolutely no charring at the base. Try this out and please post your validations.